Hi everybody, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm going to share with you a sweet and beautiful DIY. I'm going to make a scroll and I'm going to use a printout that I made, and I want to share this printout as a printable, free printable with all of you. And I'm going to decorate a space using this scroll and few other simple items at hand. My today's video is part of the challenge, which is a DIY challenge seasonally held and hosted by Christina from the DIY Mommy. No introduction required for her. She's known to everybody. I'll put link to her channel and to the playlist in the description box of my video. And if you're new here, a warm welcome. Look around in my channel. I love doing a lots of DIYs, trash to treasures, high-end tubes, everything related to home within budget, sometimes even for free. And if you love such content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit that little bell icon next to it and choose the ringing bell icon so that you're notified each time I post my video. Let's make a beautiful and quick and easy DIY. So I did this printout. So I went to internet, found some images that are free to use, got them down in my computer, downloaded them, got this beautiful fonts and words, grateful, thankful and blessed. And I used my photo editor and made this printout. This is a pretty printout. It's a PDF format and I had it printed on an A4 size paper. This printout is freely available on my blog site. I'll put a link in the description box of my video. You just need to go to my blog site and click on the PDF for downloading it, and you can have this printout for yourself for free, and you can make this scroll as I'm going to show you just now, or you can just pop it into any canvas or a picture frame for a quick sign for this fall. Now let's begin making the scroll today. First thing is I need this printout, which I've already got it over an A4 size paper, and I'm going to paste it over a bigger paper, longer paper, but with the same width, say 2 A4 size paper put together, so that I have some portion on the top as well as some portion in the bottom. I also need 2 dowels. So I have these dowels which I have cut in a size that they are about half an inch or approximately an inch longer on both the sides. That is approximately 1.5 to 2 inches longer than the width of this landscaped A4 size paper. So I need 2 of this for making the scroll. So what I did here is I took another A4 size paper and cut it into half around the width side, and I've pasted it half on the top and half on the bottom. So I have this long piece of paper with my printout right in the center. Now I'm going to add the dowels here. So I'll just turn it around. I'm just using a simple glue stick for all this because it's just paper craft now. So here I placed my dowel and I fold it here, and just this much, as much as required. I'll just glue this paper here and later can slide my dowel through it. So about 0.2 inches only I'm adding glue here around the open edge. Fold it, and here I have my tunnel for inserting the dowel. I'll let this dry before I insert the dowel. Similarly on the other end also. So once I've done the first end, I'll have a better idea while doing the other end. So this tunnel is also ready. Now this one hopefully has dried up, so I can insert my dowel through this. Here, one side done, and let's do the other one. Great, I have my scroll. Now how to hang it. So here we have our scroll ready, but how to hang it? So this is the top part of the scroll, and I'm going to take a piece of jute string and tie on both the ends so that we can hang the scroll. So just simple knots. And now the scroll is ready to hang on the wall. Let's decorate my entryway today. On the wall behind the console is hanging my beautiful modern fall scroll. I added a runner in white with my gold prints on it. Coincidentally, today morning itself, I got the whole pumpkin from the market and placed it here with my me-made fabric pumpkins. I shall give link to fabric pumpkins DIY video in my description box. On the other side, I brought my Wayfair inspired DIY lantern, a look for less DIY. Again, I shall give links to all the videos whose products or whose DIYs I have used here in this video in the description box for you. This is another look for less one King's Lane inspired candle holder, and I am placing my pillar candle which I recently updated in my recent video with a paper leaf and jute string. I am using some neutral colored florals and placing them like a wreath around the candle stand. These are dried shells of some fruit, and I am placing them to resemble a gourd. Here is a charcoal grey fabric pumpkin at this corner, bringing balance and continuity to this decor. I like so many points in this decor. The simple and minimal and modern fall scroll and the lantern complement each other because of their shapes and clean lines. There are lots of neutral colors and natural elements here. The decor is subtle yet beautiful modern farmhouse. If you like the scroll and want to make for yourself, the link to get the free printable is in the description box of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And I thank you all for your time and support, and shall see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay positive, be creative, and be happy.